Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. My hair is a mess. It's kind of late at night, but this is a project I want to get done. It is currently wintertime out, and I don't like smoking outside when it's super cold out, so I'm going to try something different. I purchased a dehydrator, and we're going to put it to work to see how well it can make some beef jerky. You can hear Carmen meowing there. This is the Dehydrator. I have used it before, just recently, to dehydrate some fruits, and it actually worked really well. I got some jerky here I picked up from Cabelas. This is the knife set I got from Cabelas a little while ago. Finally gonna take it out of the box and use it. And the Cabelas beef jerky slicer. Miss Carmen's, are you excited to make some beef jerky? Rawr. What are you doing down there, baby girl? What are you doing? Where are you going? Meat is super expensive. I got this from Superstore. Beef inside round, $20. Cheap enough to make beef jerky out of. And of course, gotta marinate it in this vintage Tupperware. This Tupperware is probably about as old as I am. That's pretty old. This is a knife set right here. It's regularly $250 on sale for $100. That's why I snagged it up. Looks all right. Got 6 steak knives. Damn. Nothing's sharp. It's actually mind-blowing how sharp this knife is. This is a vegetarian's dream right here. Mountain of meat. These are the 2 flavors. Cracked pepper and garlic. And this Hunter's blend that I've never tried before. Still sealed up. Got the good old classic here. This is the fun part. Just mix it in. And keep mixing it in until everything's covered. Now this is the Hunter's blend. I'm hoping it's not going to be a bust. That's it, shut her down, everything's mixed. Let it marinate in the classic Tupperware, because that's where all the magic is. Now the fun can begin. I got 6 trays, so 3 trays for each flavor. I gotta lay the jerky out onto the trays. Make all 6 work. Pretty excited. I love beef jerky. And if I could dehydrate it in the house, it's definitely a lot cheaper than buying it in the store. I think that's gonna work out just perfect. So exciting. First time making beef jerky with a dehydrator. So this dehydrator I picked up off Amazon. So we're gonna go 167 and we're gonna go 6 hours. and see how that's gonna play out. Oh, the house is just gonna smell like jerky. I can just smell it. It's got a little vent on the side there. It's the second time using this Amazon dehydrator. See if it does the trick for making beef jerky. Garmins. Can you smell the beef jerky? Can you? Can you smell the beef jerky? Well, what is your thoughts on the beef jerky? Does it smell delicious? Garmins. Baby girl, what are you doing? Is it time to chill? Is it? Is it time to chill? I know. You gonna let me touch you? Are you gonna attack me? There you go. That's a good girl. Hey? You're starting to become a lot more patient. I know. Baby steps, right? Baby steps. So I readjusted the time. I went to 4.5 hours. Let's have a look inside. We got an hour in. Yeah, I think 3.5 more hours will be looking good. I got a half hour left, but I think we're done. I just had a piece and it is so frickin' delicious. Shut her down. Yeah, get the vacuum sealer out. Look at that goodness. Oh my. The vacuum sealer's earning its money tonight. Look at all this. 12 bags of jerky. One that didn't seal too well, so that one's gonna go in the fridge. Rest are gonna go in the freezer. Saved myself one delicious nugget. I can tell you right now. I actually like the taste of the beef jerky in a dehydrator versus smoking. And that's what $15 worth of strawberries looks like dehydrated. All right, it's motherfucking beer time. My hair is kind of a mess. I got this Alberta Source, 5.9%. See what it's like. It's not too bad. I don't think you want to drink a lot of those around a fire. Anyways, I made some jerky on the dehydrator. I do prefer eating the jerky on the dehydrator more. I did some strawberries and some bananas. I did some blueberries. I need to look into doing some vegetables and stuff because I want to make some prepared meals when I go out, like make some soups and stuff and dehydrate them and get out there, boil some water, put them in there. Good to go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If any questions or comments, post them below. It's cold. It's wintry outside. I got to keep myself busy. I'll take care and I'll see you guys later. Stay warm. Gonna be minus 29 tonight.